This person can then just take yours and just look after it, plant up some gungo tree and make it him home and him work at the same time. So how about doing that? I'm going to hope say they're not troubling because he's doing a pretty good job cleaning up the place and make it the street be him home and in business. Greetings, my general. Big boss, what go on, Godfather? Yeah. See a word.
In my finger, in my hand, I burn it,
oh.
I wash me and somebody call me.
Cockaford. Oh, you selling jelly now? You have cool one in there too? I just want a normal one. How you selling?
3 bills and 250 and 350.
Oh, you can't even pick it off right? Oh, my word. Don't worry yourself, man. Yeah. No, but running, but
yeah, man, it can come on, man. Can it stay back Monday, man, we wake up and see the fingers swell. Hold for that, wow.
I mean, no such more juice in this, man.
I hold for water. I hold for water in care, man.
No such girl.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica boy. From the tree to your belly.
From the tree to your belly, yeah, man. Yeah, you have one 18 and banana around there, so.
What? You have an 18 and we can see it?
Yeah, man, I hold for video, man. Come here, come take it.
About 18. Oh, your green room, this. Nice.
Yeah, man.
Hey, you know, so I can't even remember how yours used to look.
Yeah.
Because you used to be bush and everything. How I see you set up this place. Look at man. So you see, the man make a street side in home and in work, which is in business. And look how God bless him. Watch out, man. Blow, whoa. Look there. Blessed good day and big up to all my Jamaica walk by friends, family, subscribers, members, you all. Big up and respect every time. Blessings and big up for tuning into another episode on Jamaica Walk By. Honestly, I don't know who might find this video interesting. I don't know who might want to watch this video or so on or so forth. But me decide I'm just gonna do some walks in Jamaica where it don't have to be the hot spot. It don't have to be the place majority of person want to see. But me decide I'm just gonna walk some places in Jamaica. And today, but then I'm Mapen. You understand? Clarendon. Many of you might know this place very well. But looking at it right now, you probably can't even remember what it looks like. So right here, which part me standing up used to be a roundabout, right? So if you're coming from Mineral Heights, which is center camera there, you would actually veer left and go right around the roundabout. And over there is where you would take another left off the roundabout to go to the Woodley Sports Complex. And you would come around and it back the main road, which would take you back into Mapen, Glenmuir Road and continue on that journey, right? And who is coming here would actually come around the roundabout and thing and hit the toll, which normally stop right up there, so center camera. So it all change now. Here's a look like wasteland, abandoned and thing because the roundabout was eliminated and the highway continue going all the way to Manchester. See? So you have to come off of the highway now at Mineral Heights if you're going to head this direction. See? So yeah, this is not a narrating video. We just a walk through, show the exact ambience, the vibe of what Jamaica look like in an hour time as me make my way. I am honestly not sure where I will finish this video, but the aim of this video is to finish it in Mapen town. But I'm gonna be walking some different parts, like I'm gonna head on to Anderson Drive and stuff like that, some place that I've never videoed before. But speaking of things and natural vibe, natural ambiances, massive, you remember this? Who is from Jamaica, real Jamaican who know Coolie Plum? So in Jamaica, they may not survive when they are forward from school, especially in your school uniform. You see me? This here is Coolie Plum. Very, very nice plum. and thing, and it grow wild. So this plum tree here will just pop up anywhere in a Jamaica. You get to enjoy the real goodness and juice of its labor. Coolie plum. I used to grow up on this, where you full your pocket before you go to school and you full your pocket when you're passing. Alright, you know, that tree you not get nobody to enjoy the labor. Cause see there, it's full up and nobody to pick them. You see me, I say, this is what it look like when time it really ripe. See if I can get to see it. Yeah. That is it. So yeah, let's start the journey. I can see exactly where I am. Back in the day too, you always find persons right out here, so set up shop, they must sell fruits, coconut water, bless up, coconut water, they must sell whole heap of things right out of that stretch here. So it normally be active, but because the traffic not flowing like that right here so anymore, you know, people have to lift up shop. See? So thank you to everybody who actually joined the video right now. I really and truly appreciate it. So if you join right now and you're not yet subscribed, please, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. Please, I'm asking you to like the video and also drop a comment in the comment section. Remember, you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Emoji work as well, because emoji explain how you actually feel. If you find it funny, you just drop some laughing emoji and thing. And if you love the video, you can, you know what I mean, anything. So emoji work. If it's even emoji, you can comment on the video with. See? No joke, no doubt. Blessings and hope to enjoy the walk and thing. This is where I am at. And this is where me I start here from. See? Osborne Store, Mandeville. Look good. Another coolie plum tree. So enjoy the video. Big up everybody and let's go. Here's another one on the street side. Man. Let's set fire. Alright, so now tell me how true this is. It is said that this overpass right here, so the bridge there for the highway, is actually the longest bridge in Jamaica right now at the moment. It's a huge overpass, huge bridge and thing. And I'm sure you don't know which river that and thing down there. So it look like people are turning them place in a garbage under the river. So all a suitcase they just dash out down there. So and river water pretty. I'm not sure how true it is that this is the longest bridge in Jamaica right now, but all I can say it massive for real. Can feel the bridge if my jerk. This one over that one. Yeah. Can see how somebody underneath the bridge down there, so I cut asleep. Man. Jamaica is a home, bro. What you mean? So you can comment in the comment section if this bridge is actually the longest bridge in Jamaica at the moment. This one is high too. Road in a bad condition, going through the weather them, but they are struggle to get them fixed. Alright, let's go. And I must say this too, many people drive this road daily but never really put foot right here, so we see how close and some of the things them there, so and thing them drive this for years but not even see this up close and personal. You know what I mean? And me are one of them somebody there. I drive this for a very long time, but I first really put foot them place. cooking. Yeah, bless up here. Very, very clean. So over this side now you can actually come and do wedding photos, the photo shoot and stuff like that. And this space here, you have persons actually here working where, you know, them get the place clean up. As you can see, you know, look like it's been like a few days ago it cut and rake up and thing, and you know, she's still over here grooming and working to keep this place maintained. That's a good look. I normally pass and see a lot of persons doing weddings and stuff over here. Set it up nice and thing, it looks great. Yeah, so persons in the Mapen area or wherever can have consideration into doing something here. It's really nice. So sometimes you pass and see loads of vehicles just park up everywhere on the soft shoulder and functions over there. This is what you call looking after the street, and the street will look after you, because this person can then just take yours and just look after it, plant up some gungo tree and make it him home and him work at the same time. So how about doing that? I'm gonna hope say they're not troubling, because he's doing a pretty good job cleaning up the place and make it the street be him home and him business, and then we can buy our jelly. Greetings, my general. Big boss. Just see me too long here. Big boss. I'll go and beg your jelly there. Nice. Hockey tree, everything. What go on, Godfather? Boy, them palm tree there just a strive. Yeah. You're right, the tree, all you have to give them a water. Big up and respect, you see me? Oh, where the damage on? Alright, then let's see how right. Oh.
I wash me and I smell the car.
Cock off. Alright, how you selling jelly now? You have cool one in there too? I just want a normal one. How you selling?
3 bills and 250 and 350.
Alright, me go walk. I treat a maple told me I walk, so I don't want the stitches, so I don't want to drink too much. Give me one nice small one there. I drink one. Yeah, man. Let me beat one of that. Yeah, can give me a hot one. Buy some palm tree and thing from him. He sell all coconut too. If you want coconut for buy, you can get coconut. And he sell palm tree. Yeah, man, we go do that one day. Oh, you can't even pick it off right. Oh, my word. Don't worry yourself, man. Yeah. Show me Charlie. The butchering table at. About that, man, I woke up now and running, but
yeah, man, it can come on, man, carry it stay back Monday, man, we wake up and see the fingers for it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. You say me see that car in the park and I have to go over there so far, man.
yeah.
I wonder if nobody dead in there.
Yeah, me, man.
Are you?
My one.
Yeah.
My one.
Come see park up a long time, you know?
Yeah, I park here and go down the road.
Oh!
I walk, come back.
Come here, say here. Nobody me not see no window crack now, no.
I mean, park over there, man.
Yes, sir.
Park over there now.
Yeah, man.
Easy. Come here.
Sometimes at them place you have to park and get all a little rest, man. Get a nap, you know? Yes, yes. My youth.
I have a YouTube channel, man, called Jamaica Walk By. So I walk and just show people them how the place look and the place nice and thing, you know?
Yes. Yes. A whole part of wow.
I mean, no such more juice in this man.
A whole heap of water. A whole heap of water in here, man.
No sauce, girl.
Yeah, man. A whole heap of water in here, man.
Jamaica boy. From the tree to your belly.
From the tree to your belly. Yeah, man. So what you do? Take picture and then something there?
Video. Walk and video. And stuff like that. So it's natural thing. You
have one 18 and banana around there, so.
What? You have an 18 and we can see it?
Yeah, man, a whole video man come and take it. Man from foreign take it, say I go put it on YouTube.
Yo, I so much water. Which I show them?
Over, just over, yeah.
All of the people them come support them and say mash it.
Yes, man.
I mean people them come and support them and thing. You see it? Yeah. You go see banana? You don't want to be a superstar? You're a superstar, man. Me I tell you.
You're a superstar already, you know. Me a fire links daddy, you know.
See, oh my word, hear that?
Fire butcher, you know.
So, see palm tree, I buy a couple of them palm tree from him to run the back part of my house. And I tell us that them a fire. All as he said, just give them water.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
So me circumpose them from the tree and catch them up.
Oh, them are rules.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jump on the tree.
Man.
See them over there, so catch already.
And then just put them in a pot.
Yes.
Yes, so wanna. Yeah. For real. Nice. Love what I go on, man. So you say about how much on the money? About 18. Oh, yeah, green room this. Nice.
Yeah, man.
Big up, man. I love how you do the place. I tell you, say, rock stone.
Oh, man, go up there, go video.
Hey, you know, so I can't even remember how yours used to look. Because you used to be bush and everything. How I see you set up this place. Look at, man. So you see, the man make a street side in home and in work, which is in business. And look how God bless him. Watch out, man. Blow, whoa. Look there. This is a perfect example, and I say, banana. Look there. Me I hope say in cut this before people then see it and want to come thief him and banana, you know. The devil is a liar. Oh my word, look on this one. Whoa. Jeez. What a blessing. Oh yeah. Where's that? So you put out some gungo on the hillside. Jaja. I have cane down there, so. Cane. Cassava. Blow. A sweet pepper, them sweet, we can. Blows and skirt and what me say? Sweet potato. Yes, you look at me say sweet potato about the base though. Yeah. Look at man. Whole heap of banana tree. Papa tree. Yeah man, see there? Loads of more banana. See all in tank. A guinea tree general drop. Nice. What a blessing. Yes. Breadfruit tree. June plum. Yeah, see breadfruit tree here. June plum, yeah. Oh, let me pay you there. See if I can grease your palm, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, man. Yes, you can keep it change, you good. Yes, man. See? You know Fire Bujo? Fire Bujo, me hear name, you know, selector. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Him play on YouTube, man. Fire Bujo, yeah, man, selector. Him play him a clinical record. I hear, boy? Yeah, man. Big up and respect, yeah, man. Art of love. Yo, stay safe and guidance here. Yes, my general. Make your both like protect you and keep you, see? Man, respect. Yeah, man. See, I love how you go on. I always stop and support you. Yeah, man. Whole heap of palm tree I buy from him. I must say whole heap of palm tree them on me yard, alright, that's how I buy them. I don't buy them one time but I stop and buy till I need them. Yeah man, they all of them. Yeah. I take it easy, yeah? What's my name again? Mr. Gregory. That is it. Big up yourself, Mr. Gregory. Yeah. I buy palm tree and them things from because I don't know in palm tree them lasting, bro. So yeah. Man just make the place be in yard, you know, and in business at one. So I hope say nobody no trouble him in the name of Jesus. Let's go. So please, if you watch this far, I am asking you to please like the video. Drop some comment in the comment section. Find me emoji. I'm good with that, see? Alright. So in them part, you know, people also tell me, say, yo, walk towards the traffic car, them afraid for me. One time the traffic car come behind me, so I go on that side there, you know. Yeah. Thing is, most of the time is that the traffic where I'm going, most of the busy place them actually on the left side. I just realize Jamaicans drive on the left like that going to a particular place. So if you're going inside of one town, most of the time the business then dep on your left. Because they want you to stop before you're going to a town. So they have it on the left side. You see me? So leaving from a town, they might tell them say pretty much say you buy everything already from the town, so then no need to have no business place like that on the left coming out of the town. That's just my theory that. So let's go. Yo, yo! Big up yourself, bro. One neighbor, is it? Big up my neighbor. I always admire the way how the trucking company deal with the place. It's so beautiful. Very decent. Love it. I always pass and admire how over there look. Well set up, you know? Yeah, man. Even, best side. Oh, teacher manners. Yep. Another day, another walk. As you do it nice and easy. So this is one of the well-known slopes them in Maypen where when you're chill, when you're as a child, yeah, that's the word. When as a child and you follow the Maypen and you go over the slope, you always just anticipate the slope because it feel like you feel like you're in a roller coaster. So you just be like, yeah. Now go over it, I'll be like, wow. So I can remember as a child, my father Maypen and thing. I always ask persons to drive this side when I could actually feel a little slope there, right there. So how cool is that? The simple things that matter here, trust me. I mean, no, it's not me alone. Here's one road that you can take for going to the town and thing, but we'll take that way here. See? Yeah. Nice piece of land this here now. Like it's selling now. Nice. Rose Variety Shop. Warehouse first, man. I see that for some reason. You know, see that there. I will take that right turn now. And then say me pen and not play pen. Good evening. Best of love. Reach far. famous national supermarket. One of the cheapest supermarket in Jamaica. If not the cheapest supermarket. National boy. That is it, man. Real national. Full of parking, you know. They can park over here, so center camera, and then open up right down here, so now for more parking again. And then I don't know, they have the original parking over there, so big parking. And if you're lucky enough, you will get a parking right in front of National. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good walk. Switch out we reach. Nicely done. As we take it easy and I go through, you see me? I normally walk that side there. So we now take it from here, so we check the fire brigade and thing. We'll go around to the police station side. Do something we never do, you understand? Yeah. National full of parking, you know. Just that I want to look a walk towards your vehicle, but you're good. Good evening. Parking lot, you see me? And this is Mapen police station. So walk from the back. This. Them the police them could have probably get all them places, you know, and get it sell and buy government get a bike, so the police them can come off our street because them park everywhere. Police end up have a park anywhere, they can get a little piece. We have made it to Maypen town. As you can see, it's a Joe Kitchen business. Juicy patties. Yeah, man. So yeah, big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch a video. I really appreciate it. Nice little subtle video. You know what I mean? Nice you can walk. Enjoy it and things. So that video you have to actually who really appreciate that video. Isn't it I say? Yeah. Who really appreciate it, I gonna know how important the video is. So one love. Big up every time to everybody who watch it. And I just want to say thanks in advance all of the comment and all of the likes and all of the support. Zin, mad love, mad respect. That is it. Big up.